basic bench press move. Now, what you want to do is... That's an example of what you shouldn't do. I wanted to show you how important it is to always have someone around to spot you. But since I don't have anybody yet, I'm going to demonstrate how you get out of a situation like this. What you want to do is... Oh, okay, that's to be expected. Just roll back to the side and away. It's okay. I'm sure they'll be here any minute now. It's okay. I'm sure they'll be here any minute now. And now? In 3, 2, 1, now? Oh, man.
Friendship is more.
I'll be here soon. I'll be here soon. I'll be here